This is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust a picture's opacity in Microsoft Word. I'll be using Microsoft Word 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Microsoft Word here. Okay, I got Microsoft Word opened up now, and I have an image in a folder that I'm going to use as a background image. You don't have to use your image as a background image, but I'm going to on mine. I'm just going to drag it from my folder over to my page here, drop it in there. Now I'm going to click on my picture to where I got the bounding box around it, and I'm going to click on layout options, the little box off to the side, and I'm going to put it behind my text because I'm going to use my picture as a background image. Now I'm going to stretch out my picture a little bit to where it covers my background. And as you can see, my text is behind the picture, but the picture is a little too strong and it's interfering with my text here, so I want to adjust the opacity on this picture. I'm going to select the picture, click on the picture to where the bounding box is around it, and then I'm going to click on Picture Format in the tab up here. And then I'm going to click on Transparency. I want to make my picture a little more transparent. And now they have, if you move your mouse cursor over these images, you can see in the background how it adjusts it. That would probably work for you on reducing the opacity of a picture. But if that doesn't work for you, if you don't like what you see here, you could always click on Picture Transparency Options. I'm going to click on that, and a pane will open up in the right hand side where it has a transparency slider here, and I can move that slider. Right now it's at 0 transparency. If I move it all the way to the other side, it's 100% transparent. You could just use this slider to adjust it to wherever you would like it. I think I like mine about right there. That is how you adjust the transparency or opacity of a picture using Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.